Welcome to today's video where we explore the 7 best folding exercise bikes for small spaces. These bikes are perfect for anyone looking to stay fit without sacrificing their living space. Ideal for apartments or homes with limited room, folding exercise bikes offer convenience and efficiency. Let's dive into our top picks. At the first position of our list, we have Pooboo Folding Exercise Bike. The Pooboo Folding Exercise Bike is designed with small spaces in mind, offering a compact and convenient solution for your home workouts. Its steady steel frame ensures durability while remaining lightweight for easy storage. The bike can be folded and stored away when not in use, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space. Comfort is a key feature of the Pooboo bike. It comes with an adjustable seat and handlebars to suit riders of different heights, ensuring a comfortable riding position. The bike also features a large, cushioned seat that provides support during long workout sessions. The magnetic resistance system offers a smooth and quiet ride, allowing you to exercise without disturbing others in your home. This bike is equipped with an LCD monitor that tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you keep track of your fitness progress. Additionally, it comes with a phone holder so you can enjoy your favorite media while you work out. The Pooboo Folding Exercise Bike is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a reliable, space-saving exercise solution. At number 2, we have AGM Folding Pedal Mini Exercise Bike. The AGM Folding Pedal Mini Exercise Bike is a versatile option that can be used for both arm and leg exercises, making it perfect for a full-body workout. Its compact design allows it to fit under desks or in small spaces, providing a convenient way to stay active throughout the day. Despite its small size, this mini bike is built to last with a durable frame and reliable components. The AGM bike features adjustable resistance levels, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. This makes it suitable for users of all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. The pedals are equipped with non-slip grips and adjustable straps to keep your feet or hands securely in place during exercise. An easy-to-read LCD display tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you monitor your progress and stay motivated. The bike's lightweight and portable design makes it easy to move and store, ensuring it doesn't take up valuable space in your home. The AGM Folding Pedal Mini Exercise Bike is a great choice for those looking to incorporate exercise into their daily routine without the need for a large, bulky machine. Next up at number 3, we have YYFITT 3-in-1 Folding Exercise Bike. The YYFITT 3-in-1 Folding Exercise Bike offers versatility and functionality, making it an excellent addition to any home gym. This bike can be used as an upright, semi-recumbent or recumbent bike, providing 3 workout options in one compact machine. The foldable design ensures that it can be easily stored away when not in use, saving valuable floor space. The YYFITT bike features a steady steel frame that supports a weight capacity of up to 265 pounds. The adjustable seat and backrest provide comfort and support during your workouts, while the large pedals with adjustable straps keep your feet secure. The bike's magnetic resistance system offers a smooth and quiet ride with multiple resistance levels to challenge users of all fitness levels. An LCD monitor tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals. Additionally, the bike includes resistance bands for upper body workouts, allowing you to engage multiple muscle groups. The YYFITT 3-in-1 Folding Exercise Bike is a versatile and space-saving solution for those looking to enhance their home fitness routine. The number 4 position is held by XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. The XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike is a reliable and efficient option for home workouts. Its solid X-frame design ensures stability and durability while allowing the bike to fold easily for storage. This bike is perfect for small spaces, providing a full workout without taking up too much room. Comfort is a top priority with the XTERRA bike. It features a large, anatomically designed seat with thick padding, ensuring a comfortable ride during long exercise sessions. The multi-grip padded handlebars provide various hand positions to enhance your workout experience. The bike's 8 levels of manual resistance allow you to adjust the intensity of your workout to suit your fitness level. The XTERRA bike is equipped with an easy-to-read LCD window that displays your speed, distance, time, and calories burned, helping you keep track of your progress. The bike also includes a built-in heart rate sensor on the handlebars, allowing you to monitor your pulse during your workout. With its combination of comfort, functionality, and compact design, the XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike is an excellent choice for any home gym. The number 5 position is dominated by Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. The Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike is designed to provide a high-quality workout experience while being easy to store and move. Its durable construction and ergonomic design make it a popular choice for home fitness enthusiasts. The bike's foldable frame allows it to be stored in small spaces, making it ideal for apartments or homes with limited room. The Marcy bike features a comfortable padded seat that is adjustable to accommodate different user heights. The foam-covered handlebars provide a secure and comfortable grip, enhancing your workout experience. The bike's magnetic resistance system offers a smooth and quiet ride with 8 preset resistance levels to challenge users of all fitness levels. An easy-to-read LCD display shows your time, speed, distance and calories burned, helping you monitor your progress and stay motivated. The bike also includes counterweighted pedals with adjustable foot straps, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit during your workout. With its combination of durability, comfort and space-saving design, the Marcy foldable upright exercise bike is a great addition to any home gym. Next up, number 6, we have a Leikefitness Ultra Quiet Folding Exercise Bike. The Leikefitness Ultra Quiet Folding Exercise Bike is designed to provide a quiet and smooth workout experience, making it perfect for use in shared living spaces. Its foldable design allows it to be easily stored when not in use, saving valuable floor space. The bike's steady construction ensures durability and stability, supporting a weight capacity of up to 270 pounds. Comfort is a key feature of the Leikefitness bike. It features a large cushioned seat with adjustable height to suit different users. The bike's ergonomic handlebar design provides multiple grip positions, enhancing your workout comfort. The magnetic resistance system offers a smooth and quiet ride with 10 resistance levels to accommodate users of all fitness levels. The bike is equipped with a multifunctional LCD monitor that tracks your speed, distance, time and calories burned, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals. Additionally, the bike includes resistance bands for upper body workouts, allowing you to engage multiple muscle groups. The Leikefitness Ultra Quiet Folding Exercise Bike is a versatile and space-saving solution for those looking to enhance their home fitness routine. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have the SINUODE Folding Exercise Bike. The SINUODE Folding Exercise Bike is a compact and efficient option for home workouts. Its foldable design allows it to be easily stored when not in use, making it perfect for small spaces. The bike's steady frame ensures durability and stability, providing a reliable workout experience. Comfort is a priority with this bike. It features a large padded seat that is adjustable to suit different user heights. The bike's ergonomic handlebars provide a comfortable grip, enhancing your workout experience. The magnetic resistance system offers a smooth and quiet ride with multiple resistance levels to challenge users of all fitness levels. This bike is equipped with an easy-to-read LCD display that shows your speed, distance, time and calories burned, helping you monitor your progress and stay motivated. The bike also includes adjustable foot straps on the pedals, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit during your workout. With its combination of durability, comfort and space-saving design, this folding exercise bike is a great addition to any home gym. And there you have it, the top 7 best folding exercise bikes for small spaces. Each bike offers unique features and benefits catering to different fitness levels and preferences. Whether you're looking for a versatile workout machine or a compact and efficient exercise solution, there's a folding exercise bike on this list for you. Stay fit, stay healthy, and enjoy your workouts.